Getting sick never has good timing. It always seems to come exactly when you have a giant to-do list, or a seemingly endless amount of chores around the house, or maybe you work from home. No matter the situation, getting sick is never convenient, which is why RapidMed is now offering house calls. Online requests are easy, and just like that, one of our friendly practitioners will be on their way to your home. Yeah, that's right. All of RapidMed's care, courtesy, and expertise right to your doorstep. I mean, how much better can it be than to get checked out right from the comfort and privacy of your own home? That's because at RapidMed, we're not only dedicated to your well-being, but to your comfort and convenience as well. We'll administer treatment and answer any questions you may have. Who else provides that kind of care? And just like that, we're gone. RapidMed, the hometown family doctors with Texas-sized hearts.